This is Monet, and she's here today because she just found out from her dentist that she is without symptoms, grinding her teeth so bad that she may be cracking some of the molars. She's also creating a bone growth in the jawbone from the extreme pressure she's doing. Yet she's unique in that she doesn't have headaches, she doesn't have neck pain, nothing like that's going on. But the dentist is very concerned about what's happening. We're going to see if there's anything other than what he says is going on that might be causing this. So we're going to have her lay on her back. We're going to see if she's strong to begin with. So we have an indicator muscle to be able to measure what might be wrong and what might not be wrong. Put 2 fingers right here, a little higher, 2 fingers, not 3. Hold this up. Okay, now put this hand here. These are going to be TMJ tests. See if there's any imbalances whatsoever. Not much going on. Cross here. Cross here. Stick your fingers in your ears. Open your mouth wide, close your mouth tight, jaw to the right, jaw to the left, forward, back. Seems to be able to do all of those pretty good. I would like you to put your fingers in your ears, but aim the pads towards the glass. Hold this here. That seems good. Now turn them backwards. That seems very, very good. I want you to put here. Now I'm just looking for different kinds of neurological points that might have an affectation on the jaw. Open your mouth wide, close your mouth, jaw to the right, jaw to the left, forward, back. And we're going to do this one. So far we haven't found anything. Open, close, jaw to the right, jaw to the left, forward, and back. We're going to do this. Open your mouth wide, bite down hard, okay? Let's do this. Open, close. Okay. Put your hands behind your neck. Just hold it first. Okay, open your mouth, close your mouth, jaw to the right, jaw to the left, back, or forward and back. Okay. Okay, I would like you with your eyes to look to the right and your jaw to the left. Do the opposite. Both to the right, both to the left. Well, we're not finding too much here. We'll make a fist right here, make another fist right here. Whoa, she just went weak. Now I'm going to touch this jaw, see if it applies, and it goes to that one. So, this is more of a maybe an emotional stress because it doesn't seem to be that out of alignment. That test there is called protective decision making. Meaning you're protecting yourself on some unconscious level against certain kinds of decisions based on decisions that maybe created incredible stress in the past. It's almost like you're allergic to decisions. So we have that we have to find. So you're going to sit up, swing around this way, sit right here. Okay. I would like you to put a fist on top of your head, a fist underneath your chin, spread your feet. Relax. Let go. Let go. Now, hold this here. Hold it here. Okay, so you're going to put the fist back on your head, the fist underneath your chin. So this is demonstrating an emotional post-traumatic stress syndrome that she's holding in her TMJ. Body is amazing. The right TMJ is emotional. The left is structural, past traumatic experiences, but they can also blend together. We're going to try an experiment here, and I'm going to adjust while she's in this position to try to break the reflex of the post-traumatic stress by adjusting her atlas, which wraps around the brainstem. The brainstem affects the vagus nerve. The sense of being calm, peaceful, everything's going to work out great, future's a blessing, rather than everything is a fearful threat. Release your arms. Okay, she's gone into what we call a dump. It's a release. We hit the exact points, and her body is letting go of a post-traumatic stress or multiples sometime in her life. Old stresses, they lodge in patterns within the body, and the body sets up defense to try to prevent from more stresses by limiting the life potential and the expression. And that seems to be what's going on here, because I can't find that much structural. So there's still a big kind of knot right here in her neck that's causing this problem. Tilt your head, hold it, hold it. Yeah, she's out of her dump. That's good. Okay, put the fist back up, put the other fist here, lift your leg up, no, knee up, hold it. Okay, now change hands just in case. Okay, hold this, hold it up, good. So, place the back of your fingers on your eye, one eye, like this, yeah, there, just like that. Do the right eye, okay? Do all the way across your eyes. Turn your hand forward. Okay, put your hand here and touch your jaw. Let go. Touch your other jaw. Let go. Okay, arm your back again. We're going to put her head like this. We're going to test her neck. Hold it. Seems pretty good. She's going to open her mouth wide. Open your mouth wide. She loses all restraint. Now, open your mouth wide. Isn't that amazing? She's absolutely strong. If we were a dentist, or dementia, or anything, because they have, even chiropractors lay everybody straight. She doesn't show any problem. But as soon as she tilts her head, she's very strong. If she went weak, that would mean she has an upper cervical problem. But she's not showing anything. She opens her mouth. So every night when she's asleep, I doubt if she's sleeping perfectly horizontal. And if her head is slightly tilted, either way, her jaw goes into spasm. So now what we have to do is we have to figure that out, okay? And we might be able to break this whole cycle. Problems like this are a cycle. It's a stress that's just like a treadmill. And all we have to do is break certain sections of it, and then it just gives up and it doesn't happen anymore. So sit up, swing around. Okay, so open your jaw, hold it. She's strong, but we'll slightly tilt her. Open your jaw. Nothing, not even 3 ounces of pressure. So now the question is, what's going to fix that? Hold it here, hold it here, hold it here, hold it here, hold it here. Now what am I doing? Open your jaw, you gotta open your jaw. I'm looking for a correction point in a position point. And I think I found it. She has a lateral atlas. Open your mouth. Yeah, there you go. And we're gonna see if this fixes it. If it does, it's gonna be a miracle. Hold it. Now, you're gonna tilt your head, open your mouth. And tilt your head, go the other way. Wow. That is really remarkable. Now, you're gonna twist your head all the way, open your mouth. Now, pull your mouth back. Bite down hard, okay? Pull your mouth back, bite down hard. Wow, very, very good. Okay, let's jump down. Open up slowly and close. She has very good alignment and her movement of the jaw, so that doesn't seem to be the problem. Follow my fingers. Look upper left, straight to the left, to the right. Neurologically in the brain, seems pretty good. Let's test for a few nutrients, okay? On your back again. Most TMJ problems like she has is due to a mineral imbalance and B6. So we're going to test. You're going to take 5 fingers and put it on this point here, which represents the potassium point. Hold it. Woo. Take it away. Hold it. Hold it up. No, your leg, not your hand. Hold it. Very strong. If she touches her potassium point, she goes incredibly weak. Let's do the sodium point. Hold this. Sodium's okay. Let's test magnesium. And let's test calcium. So we found that potassium, magnesium, potassium, and calcium are out of balance. So we're going to give you supplements for that. And I think it'd be a really good idea to take B6. Lots of people, their entire jaw problem goes away with B6 or magnesium or one of these combinations. But we found post-traumatic stress that we've never found before, because you never complained about this.
Mm-hmm.
We've never worked on it. And this could be your whole sleep thing. And again, having your head slightly crooked was a big issue that I never found, because I need a problem to solve, and if I don't get presented a problem, I can't find it. So I think this is going to be a big thing. And I want to have you stand. I'm going to show you something that you could do. 90% of problems, people's jaws, is the following. Their jaw is tight, pulling this way and back. The way you solve this is you put your thumbs behind your jaw, so that joint, and then you push so your jaw is way out. Let me see how far you can go. Good. And then you release. And you're going to do that 10 times, holding, and back. You're going to do that 10 times twice a day or right before bed. Okay?
Thank you.
Number 2, you're going to put your hands like this, and you're going to push your jaw out with resistance. Don't let it slam back. You resist as it goes back slowly. It's like doing a weight. You don't let it fall because you picked it up. Out as far as possible. Now let's go reset the pterygoids muscles deep back in there. And when they come alive, the jaw won't have a tendency to go backwards.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say that you had a problem with your bicep.
Mm-hmm.
Most people would rub the bicep. They would treat the bicep. I would never do that. I would treat the tricep, and the bicep would get better. The same thing here. We're going to treat the muscle to push your jaw out rather than do some other complicated thing to try to balance this. I believe that if you push this out, do the other thing, take the minerals, maybe a follow-up on this to see if we missed something.
Okay.
And we found that your upper neck was really the problem,
Yeah.
causing all this.
Okay.
Then you may need more dental. You might have to do what they say,
Sure.
but I have a feeling that this just might be what you need.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Good.
Sure.
I think we did good with her today.